Hey everybody, welcome to Nelmar Kitchen. Today, I'll be making a Portuguese traditional chicken soup called Canja. Vamos lá. Canja is traditionally made on Christmas Eve. Now, every family in Madeira has their own style to create this recipe. For example, my mother, instead of using rice, she likes to use these pasta stars. My father likes to add cinnamon sticks to the recipe. Let's get started. There are several ways to serve canja. The first one, put it in a Portuguese bun. Just add some margarine or butter. Add the chicken. The second way is the one that I love the best. Just put it in a cup. And thirdly, just put it in a normal soup bowl. And there you have it, Canja, a Portuguese chicken soup. How do you make your soup? Tell me in the comments down below. We'll love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Until next time.
Now don't forget to click the subscribe button down below for future episodes. You can reach us at email or follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Beijinhos!